Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technical Notice Board, where you can get the notification for all the technical events which will be useful for both the faculty and the students. So now I would like to show you the excellent opportunity for the faculty, so who can avail the opportunity in IIT Goa. So they have released a notification, a special recruitment drive for assistant professors in various schools. This is in IIT Goa. So I'll post the link in the description. So the complete notification is of 6 pages. So everything is detailed in these 6 pages. You go through and see the list of schools and specialization for recruitment is School of Mechanical Sciences. So that means assistant professors are required in these particular categories: School of Mechanical Sciences, School of Mathematics and Computer Science. So mathematics related topics and the computer science and engineering related branches, and School of Electrical Sciences, Electrical Engineering, School of Chemical and Material Sciences, so Material Sciences and Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Chemistry, and School of Humanities and Social Science, School of Physical Sciences, and School of Interdisciplinary Life Sciences. So you can have the complete specializations here, right? The program and specializations. So they were inviting the applications for assistant professor in these specializations in IIT Goa. And those who are interested, just click on this apply online link, and so that you can get the complete application and study this particular information. Okay, and fill the application, and the online application portal will be available till 10 a.m. on 23rd November. So this is most important. So this is the last date for application, right? So 23rd November 10 a.m. Okay, so here these are the points how to fill the application. So just follow these points while filling the application. And curriculum vitae, so which should be included. Okay, so like academic background, work experience, courses taught, thesis or a project supervision, research grants, etc., awards and rewards, recognitions, publication details, patent details, everything should be available in this curriculum vitae. So make sure. So I think every CV will be having all these things, right? And research statement for IIT Goa, this is important. We welcome research initiatives and efforts of all nature. Research statement will be evaluated on a clarity of thought, seriousness, and for contextualizing the with respect to the efforts by the global research community wherever possible, and also teaching statement for IIT Goa. And additional information, uh, academic qualification, like the required academic qualification for all faculty positions is a PhD in the relevant discipline with a first class or equivalent in the preceding degree and very good academic record throughout. So minimum qualification it requires is a PhD. And experience, so there are two positions: assistant professor grade 1 and grade 2. So if you are applying for a assistant professor grade 1, you must have a minimum of 3 years of post PhD teaching or research experience, and also demonstrated a strong research capability in terms of high quality publications and patents, etc. Research. So next, assistant professor grade 2. So candidates who are applying for this post um, do not fulfill the minimum experience requirement for the post assistant professor grade 1, or are judged to be not ready for the post yet based on research record or performance in the interview, may be appointed as an assistant professor grade 2. So the minimum requirement is not required if you are applying for assistant professor grade 2. And there will be a probation. So period of probation and regular appointments at all posts will normally 1 year. However, the institute may extend it if found necessary. And application fees, there is no application fees, and they have given the complete basic pay for assistant professor grade 1 and grade 2. And see the general information, they have given some general information. So this is completely 6 page notification. So I'll post the link in the description. Once go through the complete 6 page information, and if you feel that this is a good opportunity for you, so without any delay just apply for the assistant professor positions in these particular specializations. And definitely I think this video will be helpful for you, and all the very best.